It's a pretty common problem, for traders to be struggling with inconsistent results. It's like the most common problem that there is amongst traders. But where most traders make the mistake is they think that it's one or both of two things. First, oh, it's my strategy. I need to go get a new strategy. The strategy is not going to solve the inconsistent results problems. I know there are a lot of sellers out there saying, oh yeah, just try our strategy. This will get you those consistent results. Not true. There are lots of good strategies, been around for years, decades, proven out, plenty of good strategies. Strategy is not the problem. And so a lot of traders will think, well, if I could just be more disciplined, I've got a good strategy. If I could just be more disciplined. And that is a mistake as well. I mean, discipline, of course, is part of it. You got to show up. You can't just be all random and, ignoring your rules and stuff like that. But the thing is, discipline is not the only thing that comes into play when it comes to consistent results. So how can I say this? Well, I used to be a quality assurance manager. And quality assurance is all about getting consistent output out of repeated processes like trading. And quality brings in tools and perspectives and understandings that allow us to achieve consistent output, and hence the term quality assurance. And so when it comes to trading, you need to understand this is a process. This isn't you're buying one lottery ticket and hoping to win everything. Trading is an activity that you're doing over and over and over and over again, potentially hundreds or even thousands of times. And there are different factors that come into play as far as being able to get a consistent output out of your repeated process. And a strategy is not the solution. It's not. Your strategy is how do I intend to get in and out of the markets and make money? Your system is kind of the foundation of, consistency. Your system is how am I going to do this, 500 or 1,000 times consistently? How am I going to execute the strategy 500 or 1,000 times? And so a strategy and a good system are not the same thing. And it's really important that you understand this. So, having a good system is really at the foundation of consistency. And then there are other things that come into play. There is a certain, element of psychology. And then, not just, do you have deep mommy daddy issues? There are other things that come into play as far as the consistency aspect from a psychological standpoint. And so, well, for example, confidence. If you're filled with anxiety every day, you're already in an emotional state. Your emotions are going to come into play and screw you up, cause you to make bad decisions. So being able to build confidence is, a key thing. Anyway, don't make the two common mistakes so many traders do where, you just keep plugging along, fighting the same problem, fighting with the inconsistent results, fighting with the frustration of not making as much money or any money, as you should. And just thinking that, if I just have a better strategy or if I can just be more disciplined, and that's all you focus on. There's more to it. Now, I go more in depth on this in an ebook that I wrote. It's a short report. It's about a 20-minute read. It's called The Proven Guide to Consistent Monthly Profits. And I talk about a few of the specific things that cause inconsistency, that are causing your frustrations, and the 4 things that you need to do to get beyond it and actually onto comfortable, consistent, profitable trading. You can swing by InsideOutTrading.com and check it out there. You can get a free copy of it. And you'll have a much better understanding of what's been frustrating you and what you can do about it. And again, it's free. So go ahead and swing by Inside Out Trading. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give me a like down below. Share this with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you like. But don't just sit there and keep fighting the frustration of less than satisfactory results from your trading. You don't have to. You don't have to keep fighting it. You don't have to keep wrestling with it on your own. There's some things that nobody's told you before. Go ahead and grab the short report that I told you about, the proven formula for consistent monthly profits. So use the link below. It's in the description. And go ahead and grab your free copy of the report. You'll be glad you did. Anyway, hope this has been helpful. Cheers. So do you sometimes struggle with inconsistent results from your trading? A little too much variability in what you're getting as far as, winners and losers. If you'd like some help with your consistency, that's my area of expertise. I used to be a quality assurance manager, and quality is all about getting consistent results, predictable, reliable results. So if you'd like my help with your trading, swing by InsideOutTrading.com, schedule a call with me. We'll get on. We'll talk about your situation and see if I can help you improve the consistency of your trading results. Talk to you soon.